Casper token. Big potential or big hype? Today's cryptocurrency industry is dynamic and highly disruptive, to say the least. New projects sprout and get their time in the sun, with some of them going on to become big projects and getting listed, while others quickly crash and burn, taking as many investors with them as possible. While many new cryptocurrencies pull out all the stops to make headway in the crypto market, well-known cryptocurrencies have to maintain their rankings while faced with fierce competition. Really, it's all about presentation and optimal performance. Is the Casper token another nicely presented hype, or a project that deserves your commitment and money? The Casper token is the reward token and tradable asset of the Casper network. So what is Casper Network? Some platforms work towards solving the major issues that other blockchains tend to struggle with as they work towards optimizing their network, figuring out how blockchain scalability, security, and decentralization can work together. That was the reason behind the creation of Casper Network in 2018, created by Casper Labs' Mrinal Manoha and Meta Parlikar, as well as a team of developers, builders, entrepreneurs, and many others. The Casper Network is a blockchain network that is based on the Casper Correct by Construction protocol, which is a family of consensus protocols to address safety, where each member satisfies a particular safety proof. This protocol was deployed on March 31, 2021. Casper Association, its non-profit organization that aims at managing the evolution and decentralization of its networks, was launched as well. The network aims to accelerate the speed at which people adopt blockchain technology, preparing the industry for enterprises that intend on building blockchain-enabled products and services for the public quickly and effectively. Then there is the Casper CBC, which is a type of proof-of-stake (POS) consensus protocol. The network features smart contracts that are upgradable, with developer-friendly features and lower transaction costs than many Layer 1 blockchain offerings. According to the white paper, the network is a decentralized, permissionless public blockchain that plans to speed up transactions and operations and provide specific features like predictable network fees, privacy, on-chain governance, developer-friendly languages, and flexibility. Casper's native token, with codename Cspr, is employed by its users to pay for network fees during on-chain transactions. For example, each token transaction costs a fraction of Cspr, and the amount transferred has to be 2.5 Cspr or more. So how well is the Casper token doing? This token is currently at number 78 on CoinMarketCap and has a total market valuation of $495 million, with a total supply of about 11 billion tokens. The team behind the Cspr marketed the project as the final evolution of Ethereum. Let it be clear though, Casper is different from Ethereum, which only shifted to the POS consensus protocol in mid-September 2022. Casper provides scalability and other features that allow the blockchain to become a part of a larger application architecture where on-chain contracts can be handled, upgraded, and regulated like any other software. This eliminates the need for complicated transaction processes and makes it easier to address the flaws in the smart contract. In April 2021, Casper held an initial coin offering (ICO) for the token on the CoinList exchange. This enabled investors to buy it ahead of its public launch for 0.03 cents. The coin was listed on some exchanges and was trading above $1.30 during the crypto rally in May. On May 11, 2021, Cspr was listed on the Huobi exchange. It was used to reward network validators who process on-chain transactions via Casper's POS consensus protocol. It has been mentioned before that Casper and Ethereum's Casper are quite different. This really gets you wondering if the name and the design of the Casper network was not intentional, an attempt to deceive the public. Ethereum did try to sue the network for the use of the name Casper. While the Casper network is a standalone project, its name can be confused with the Ethereum network's use of Casper. The Casper network utilizes a type of consensus mechanism called Casper CBC. Casper Correct by Construction is the creation of Vlad Zamfir, a blockchain veteran who aided the creation of Ethereum. Casper's current consensus protocol, the Highway Protocol, is based on the first Casper CBC specification, with numerous improvements in terms of block finality and network flexibility. The protocol construction tries to define a set of properties to the best of the network's abilities. It's a bit complex, but then it leaves the option open to change parameters if a malicious variable is discovered. By contrast, Casper FFG, or Casper the Friendly Finality Gadget, is being used by Ethereum in the process of converting its POW model to Ethereum 2.0. Casper, the friendly finality gadget, is a hybrid of proof-of-work and proof-of-stake consensus protocol in which validators will intermittently confirm the production of the miners, so don't get them confused. Casper's implementations promise to bring many investors many required benefits. Casper could help Ethereum become more decentralized, particularly as it relates to hash rate density. In both Bitcoin and Ethereum today, about 4 miners control 50% of hash network in 2 networks, and this makes the chances of a 51% attack much higher. The Casper network is a great environment for developers. The platform makes building on its friendly infrastructure easier for developers who want to. Casper supports WebAssembly, or WASM, which does away with dependence on priority languages like Solidity. Moreover, developers could not edit a smart contract once it has been deployed in the past. But the contract upgrade featured on Casper guarantees that enterprises can construct resilient products that can accommodate shifting business needs and user trends. Proof of stake also helps diminish the negative environmental results that proof of work protocols have created. Proof of stake requires less power because the only real energy used is by validators keeping their computers active, much less computationally expensive than perpetually resolving hashing algorithms. According to a power usage comparison report released by Casper Labs, the network's operating 400 nodes are 47,000% more energy efficient than Ethereum, a staggering figure. It also is a remarkable 136,000% more energy efficient when compared to Bitcoin. Casper can also help with Ethereum's scaling roadmap. Specifically, proof of stake makes sharding much easier to implement. It can be achieved on a proof of work blockchain, but it would be more complex and leave many more malicious vectors open. However, with plenty of competition from several other cryptocurrency projects claiming to have a very similar goal, and with a less than excellent coin performance since its launch, the token is not looking particularly promising right now. But this could change, seeing as cryptocurrencies are highly volatile assets, and also forecasts by analysts could turn out to be wrong. It's best to carry out research before making any investment. With its user-friendly network, it's no wonder many investors are buying into the token's hype. The network may be presently low on the value scale, but there is no doubt there is promise, and after a sufficient amount of time spent doing research on the token, many investors choose to trade with the token. The Casper network is not as widely adopted as other competing cryptocurrencies, and at the moment, its value is still low. Although it's still in its infant stages of development, there is a lot of hope for the network, and the benefits speak for themselves. Yet, the blockchain landscapes continue to evolve and an eco-friendly proof of stake is being made use of. CSPR's price has still not made much headway since its establishment in March 2021. The token hit a peak price of $1.33 on May 12, 2021 at the end of a successful public sale at the ICO price of 0.03 cents. In the months following August, Casper's price dipped aggressively to hit a low of 0.065 cents at the start of August 2021. From then, CSPR has been trading within the range of 0.03 cents to 0.18 cents. This could be why there is some doubt to the token's nature. As of August 2022, the Casper has a market cap of 187 million, and at the time of this video's creation, it is the 80th biggest crypto by that metric. It has a current circulating supply of 400 million coins and a total supply of almost 11 billion CSPR coins. Although it's currently valued at 0.04 cents, it is speculated that CSPR should hit 12 cents before the year runs out, keeping in mind the volatile nature of cryptocurrency. As of October 26, 2022, CSPR's price is at 0.047 cents. As things stand right now, Casper's CSPR has lost 2,800% of its peak valuation. This could be a sign that the project has been massively hyped and massively overvalued at the beginning. So, what is Casper really worth? Could it go much lower or even crash out of existence, or is there a potential that is much closer to its peak? It is easy to sit on the fence when trying to decide on a token to invest in, but experienced traders would point out the fact that time really is money, and rumors of a crash are just that, rumors. Something that can be noted in the operation of the Casper network is their aim of finding working solutions to the problems faced by many developers. And aside from the contemplation of some traders and critics who fear the project might have seen its best days, the network continues to form new alliances and has connections with recognized cryptocurrency organizations. The network has expanded into Africa and the Middle East, and has other alliances with partners like Big Token, WiseKey, Terra Virtua, and Lead Ventures. Casper also has a recent partnership with the SJM Group to further Web 3.0's adoption in the UAE. All of these are in preparation for mass adoption as blockchain becomes a staple tool for development in the world. The exploits indicate there's more to the network, and it just might be worth all the hype. If you enjoy learning about cryptocurrency, emerging disruptive technologies, finance, and investment-related topics, this is the channel to subscribe to. Give us a like to show you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching.